Non-traders, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over the 3 stocks that I see value in going into this week. And to begin with, AMZN, ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon, as you can see. Um, it's trading in a channel. It has its support line right here. Its resistance line. I have 2 resistance lines up here. Um, a support line, and then this is another support line from a previous support right here that once acted as a resistance. So now getting into this analysis, AMZN has been creating a continuous uptrend. It's making higher lows, higher low, a higher low. It had a huge sell-off right here, but immediately recovered to the upside. So you can see that buyers are in control of this stock. It's bullish. It created a higher low, another higher low, and now it's trending up. So we're looking for a continuation of this stock. I have some support lines here, as you can see, a support trend line. I got a resistance trend line right here. I got a resistance trend line up here, and we're looking for a long setup in this stock. As you can see, it keeps bouncing off of its support lines. Once tried to break under, acted as a resistance, it broke out, it created a higher low, bounced off of our support line, and it's now continuing to the upside. So we're looking for an upside move on this stock this coming week. So now going into my next stock, Shopify. Okay, now Shopify, if we go to the 180-day chart, had a huge push up Friday, as you can see. It broke out of its channel. It was creating somewhat of a wedge. As you can see, it was creating consistent higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and was sticking in had a consolidation, had a resistance above. Had trouble breaking over, and did ended up breaking out. Tried pulling back, and it's now opened candle to the upside. So it did get resistance rejected by a previous resistance level right here, as you can see. Got rejected. Tried pushing over, got rejected. Tried pushing over, got rejected. And as you can see, it came up, got rejected by its previous resistance level. We might see a pullback, and might see our previous support level come into play. Previous resistance level, previous support level. So we might see our previous support level come into act and act as a new support for this for Shopify in this coming week. So that's Shopify, and on our last stock, Roku. So now Roku, as you can see, had a huge push up, created a resistance, pulled back, had a support, a higher support, trended up, trend up, had a higher support, created a higher low, pushed up, had a higher support, but then it created a lower high, and it was also near the previous resistance that I have over here. Acted as a new resistance, got rejected, pushed to the downside, and now it's nearing its previous support that it bounced off. Now we might see a double bottom here. We might see a push up. So we're looking for how does this stock react to its previous support line, and what will it do after? All 3 of these stocks correlate with the ticker symbol SPY. I think except Roku, but depending on how the SPY goes this week, we would base our trades. We should base our trades depending on how this goes. As you can see, SPY had a huge push up, created a resistance. Its resistance became acted as a support. It broke down, tried pushing up, but got rejected by its support again. I mean its resistance. Its pre-market resistance, and then now it's trending lower. And yeah, those were my 3 stocks that I see value in this week. This is not any recommendation. I'm not telling you to trade these stocks. I'm not recommending you to trade these stocks. I'm not saying these stocks are good, but these are what I see value in personally, my opinion, and you guys take it from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.